rocket fire and gunfire in Israel's south and center areas. 5 people injured. Overnight Wednesday, in the resort town of Eilat in southern Israel, Grad rockets fired from Egypt's Sinai Desert. ISIL activists operating in the Sinai Desert claimed responsibility. Israel's Iron Dome defense system intercepted those rockets. ISIL said, or warned rather, this is not going to be the last time. This is also not the first time, and it's the reason that Egypt and Israel cooperate closely along the Sinai border. Going to Thursday afternoon, crowded market area in central Israel, a gunman opened fire, injuring 5 people. According to eyewitnesses at the scene, it was chaos. Civilians pursued the gunman, who took off on foot. They captured him. Police eventually apprehended and arrested him. He was identified as a 19-year-old Palestinian from the West Bank. Israel's security apparatus is attempting to determine whether he operated alone or had an accomplice. Stephanie Freid, CGTN, Tel Aviv.